What I have today, I'm showing you a recent purchase for my mystery car that I purchased. This right here is a BBK off-road X-pipe. Off-road means there's no catalytic converters, and before purchasing this, you might want to check with your county ordinance, because there's some counties that have emissions control and you have to go through MARTA testing. Where I live, MARTA, there's no such thing as that. They crap on the environment, they say. They don't really care. But these are for off-road use only, so purchase them for off-road use only. But today I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you these. These are for the 99 through 2004 Ford Mustang, and they're pretty nice. From what I've read the reviews on, I've installed a couple of these on some customers' cars. Also, if you do have these, you also want to go ahead and get these MIL eliminators, which I will show you and tell you about those in another video, which you can view on my page. But this is going to be the unboxing on what you can expect to get with this BBK Off-Road X-pipe. So this is the first time that I've seen this myself. So go ahead and unbox this thing. See what we have in the box. Okay, right there, just a quick look on what I'm seeing. Of course, the pipe that goes to the header. Get my camera back up there. Them are 2.5 inch. There's the collector, the BBK emblem. There's the upstream, the O2 sensor. This is not what you'll be hooking your MIL eliminators to. You'll be hooking that to the rear section. And there's that pipe there. Let's see if there's the other one. Okay, there's the right side with the bung for the O2 sensor. And here's the goodie. And yes, BBK, these right here, the rear bung is where you will be connecting your MIL eliminators, which eBay purchased $17. You can view that in my other description channel. Alright, so these right here are designed to connect straight up to your factory catback, which right now I'm just running a stock catback. I plan on doing another video later showing me doing the cutting and the welding. I'm going to be putting Flowmaster 40 series. I personally think that the Flowmaster 40s are the best sounding muffler for the 4.6 Mustangs. Hint on the type of car I got. It is a Mustang. And let me just get them to come to me. You have your connector, put it on, you install your front section. And there's your second one. And looks like they supplied me with exhaust hardware kit 002B. Oh, great. 5 horsepower per sticker, guys. So definitely gonna stick those on my toolbox. Never stick those on your car unless you're sponsored and your car is fast enough. And of course you got your hardware. So seeing how there's nuts with the bolts, these are definitely going to be for the rears. Of course the fronts already have studs on your headers. As of right now, I don't have any future plans as of yet on headers. I looked at a bunch of long tube headers, which of course if you buy long tubes you can easily just of course pull the front tubes off and attach it to this X-pipe here. But maybe I'll be doing some more purchases on exhaust. Just depends on where I want to go with the car right now. I'm just going to stick these on there, see what it sounds like with the stock catback. And then I'm going to definitely be purchasing some Flowmaster 40s. I don't want it to be so loud that it's crazy loud. I want it just to sound good when I'm getting into it. But Guys, I appreciate you watching my video here. I'll be doing an installation video of this kit right here on a future video coming up pretty soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the new videos and updates on my car.